Hi, I'm Cheryl Smith with X-Van Technology, and here's your tech tip for the week.
Welcome to the third part of our series of Office 2010. This week we're going to talk about Excel and all of the many new and improved features. This week we're going to talk about Excel 2010 with new and improved features. The first new feature I'd like to talk to you about is sparklines. They are located under the Insert tab on the ribbon, fourth group, called sparklines. What is a sparkline? It is a tiny word-sized chart that can actually appear in one cell. Let me show you an example. As you can see here on this worksheet, I have an example right here, E1. The chart is in one cell. Great new feature. Another new feature is also under the Insert tab on the ribbon, and it's called a slicer. Now, a slicer allows you to filter your pivot table similar to the way the filter fields filtered in a pivot table. The difference is that slicers offer a user-friendly interface, allowing you to see the current filter state easier. Provides a rich visualization of your pivot table. And here's an example of that. On the left, you can see before 2010. This is an example using the filtering system. And on the right, this is using Office 2010 and the slicer. I really think that this is definitely beneficial, user-friendly. We love that. The improvement that I'd like to talk to you about is the pivot tables. Now, as you can see under the Insert tab, on the ribbon is the first group is called Tables. There's your pivot table. It is now possible to fill down labels in a pivot table. That's pretty cool. Charting, which is also on the same ribbon, Charts, has improved features. The ability to double-click chart and a format dialog box comes up. Macro recording is now available, and the limitation of data points that can be created has been removed, and that's definitely beneficial to anyone that does charting. The next improvement is going to be under our Formula tab on this ribbon, Name Sets. Now, previously you were unable to define your own name, but what's great about it is that you can define your own name because you have the field, items, and sets on the ribbon that allows you to define your own name. Right here, define. Okay? And the next one, under the Data tab, on this ribbon, you're going to see filtering capabilities. There is a new search filter that is very beneficial. You can search in Excel tables, pivot charts, but it also allows you to deselect anything that you don't need. That's wonderful. And the next improvement is under the Home tab. On this ribbon, you'll see conditional formatting. Conditional formatting makes it easier to highlight cells or a range of cells and new icon sets. More options for the data bars. Allow the ability to refer to values in other worksheets in your workbook. A lot of great benefits right there in the conditional formatting. Now let's talk about overall performance enhancements. It's more responsive. Now I'm talking about Excel 2010 in general. It's more responsive when you move or resize charts, when you work in page layout view, or you interact with shapes on a worksheet. Definitely more responsive. You're going to love that. Also, it takes less time to perform commonly performed tasks on large data sets, such as filtering, sorting, and copy and pasting. And opening and saving large files is faster than ever before.